7-pin connector, 4-pin connector. Comes ready. The only thing, it didn't bring the hitch receiver. So it turns out that the gear ratio on the rear axle is changed and 37-inch tires, so that limits it to 3,500 pounds. Because of that, I don't need the class 3 hitch receiver, so I'm gonna go with the OEM class 2. So here we are. There's this bracket here. Take it off. And it looks like I'm gonna be able to do this without removing the muffler. These are like $30 each. I bought the hitch from Extreme Terrain, but they did not include the hardware because it was supposed to be like a direct replacement. There we go. Nope, that wasn't easy. In reality, it's actually a lot easier than I thought it would be. Because all it required was for me to take out this bracket and put in a hitch. That was it. This hitch receiver was on sale for $89. It was $10 off. And this direct replacement for the OEM, meaning that you have an existing hitch bolted on already, and then you're just going to take it out and you're going to replace it with this one. That's why they don't sell it with the bolts. But if you want the bolts, they sell a kit. Extreme Terrain does. They sell a kit that includes the hardware, which is the 4 bolts, and then includes the receiver plug. But it costs $300. Which is crazy because you're going from, in my case, I would have been going from $89 to $299, $210 more. The reason for that is because the plug is actually like $120 per plug, and then the bolts are an additional $30 a bolt, and maybe they give you a deal, they give them all 4 for like $100. So that's why it's so expensive. So I just did, I think what I thought was the smartest thing I could do, and it was buy it for $89 and then go on eBay and buy the bolts. Okay, there it is. Very simple. It is a simple installation. No drilling required. What I had a hard time with was removing that bracket because it was kind of like seized in there, and it's kind of funny because this is actually a new Jeep.